Hey guys, it's Nancy and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. It has been, y'all, it has been a minute. Like, your girl is working now and I'm so tired and I have no time to make videos whatsoever, and it's annoying, but it's July 4th, so I'm gonna make this video and I hope y'all enjoy it. So don't forget to like up front on just good faith that I'm gonna deliver a good video. Hopefully. Anyway, so like as you can see by the title, today's just gonna be like a 16-month lockup date. 16 months, y'all. We made it 16 months. Cannot believe it. It's almost a year. I mean almost 2 years. Almost 2 years. My babies are almost 2 years. So exciting. But anyway, let's just get into this video. So I guess in month 16, like, what new changes have happened to my hair? It's just like obviously getting longer, it's getting longer, and we're gonna measure it, of course, towards the end of the video. And I would say it feels a little dry, but I did talk to somebody about that and she was like, it could be just like what I'm eating, so that could be affecting how my hair feels, because like I was really struggling between like, is my hair dry or is my hair just locking? So yeah, that's just that. So I might be changing up my diet to help that. So those are just like the changes that I would say I've seen in my locks, like just growing really long. And like this is like freshly washed, so I've not retwisted and I'm not gonna retwist it. Honestly, I'm trying to see if I can go the whole summer without retwisting, because one, I'm lazy. Y'all already know I'm really lazy when it comes to retwisting, and two, I just really like how it looks. Like, it's super natural in the front and then you just have like these locks coming out. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens. So in month 16, what will I change? So for one, I'm going to be using headbands like this to hold my hair back, just so, because it creates no tension whatsoever. It's way better than putting my hair in a ponytail, because that be popping out my hairline, girl. So I'm gonna be using those to just like pull my hair back, because it's summer and it is so hot and I do not like my hair in my face because it makes me break out. So yeah, that's one thing. I'm going to be using this headbands, and you can get this at like your local beauty supply store or Amazon, wherever. What else am I gonna change? I'm gonna be more consistent with my leave-in conditioner. Yeah, y'all, I'm also gonna show you guys that later on this video when I talk about the products that I'm using lately, because it's all the way over there and laziness. I'm telling y'all, laziness. So I'm gonna become more consistent with my leave-in conditioner. And then I guess eat better, so that my hair cannot feel so dry. Like right now, it doesn't feel as dry as it normally does. Like, I hate hearing that sound, but I think that's just like how my hair is. But it's not normally as dry because I just washed and I put my leave-in, so it's feeling really good. So yeah, just eat better. That's a note to all of us. We just all need to collectively eat better. Eat better challenge. Yeah, and up my water intake. So I have been attempting to drink a gallon of water a day. It's a lot. It's a lot. I'm actually showing y'all my water. So this is my water bottle. I got this from Amazon and it's so cute. Like, it has like the times. Obviously you see I don't follow this at all, but it has the times of like to help you like track how much water you're drinking and make sure that you're being consistent with it. So I'm gonna try to be better with this, again, help my I love how it helps my skin, because my skin feels like really good and it's looking kind of clear aside from like my chin area, but whatever. Yeah, so change my diet, up my water intake, all those good things. So yeah, those are the things that I'm gonna change. Yeah. So what things am I looking forward to? I think it's really just my hair getting longer, because yeah, I love my hair so much. Yeah, I think it's really just like my hair getting longer and being able to do a high bun. I know I literally just talked about how I don't want to keep putting my hair back, but I'm telling y'all, once my hair gets long enough for me to do a high bun, it's over. Like, can I do a high bun now? We're about to attempt this. Okay. Okay. This is the process. Oh. Okay. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing now. Okay, wait. Wait. Is it? I'm trying to look in the mirror to see. Is it? Maybe next month. No, maybe next month I'm gonna be able to, like, you know, attempt a high bun, and y'all won't be able to tell me nothing. Anyway, so yeah, I just really want to be able to attempt a high bun. So that's that. So now I'm getting into the products that I've been using lately. So finally we purchased my leave-in conditioner, you know, the Alley Naturals lemongrass leave-in conditioner. I live by this. It smells so good and it makes my hair feel really good, even though it still feels on the dry side. But I really feel like that's just me feeling my locks, like, as they mature. Like, I don't know, I'm getting confused, but I love this. I love this. I swear by this. And it also works for natural hair. That's like, if you are natural, like, it works wonders for you. If you're locked, it works wonders for you. And then here for my oil, I have the African Healing Oil, and I put, what did I put in here? I also added a lot of I added 25 drops of lavender oil and 25 drops of peppermint oil to this. I love this. Not only do I use it to oil my scalp, but I mostly use it to lotion my body, to moisturize my body, like, right after I get out the shower. Feels amazing, amazing, y'all. So, like, because I hate waking up in the morning, so I just take my showers at night. That's the main reason why I added that lavender oil. Y'all, I tell you, moisturizing my skin with this, the lavender oil and peppermint oil, massaging my skin right before I go to bed, yo, I am knocked out, because, you know, the lavender oil relaxes you, and the peppermint oil just feels really good, like, you know, helps all those aches and pains. Yo, the concoction. But yeah, this is a really good oil to buy because it's good. I would say it's a little on the heavy side, so if you're someone who's, like, a sensitive scalp and you get, like, built up easy, maybe be careful of using it, or maybe you just might have to up, like, how often you wash your hair. Yeah, so these are the products that I've been using, or it's like new products that I've been using, even though they're relatively old, but new to y'all, I don't know. Now to the part we have all been waiting for. We're going to measure, we're gonna measure my hair. So again, we start with the back, then we do the middle of my hair, then we do the front, and then we do the sides. So our measurements last month, is that my chair? Hold on. Oof. So our measurements last month were, for the back, 7 inches. So I wonder how long my hair is now. Okay, let's guess. So if my back was 7 inches last month, I'm gonna say it's like 7.2 inches. I don't know, maybe it could probably still just be 7 inches. All right, so 100. Oh yeah, it's still 7 inches. Wait, nah, let's check another lot, because I think I did this one last time. Which one did I do? How much you measured the wrong one? Yeah, maybe I should just be consistent with what lock I measure each month. I don't be remembering. Alright, so I'm starting at my root, going down. Okay, so that one is 6.5 inches. I'm confused. So we're just gonna say that my back is still 7 inches. So I guess no change. Yeah, I really should just choose a lock and just consistently measure that. That might help. All right, so now for the middle of my head, last month it was 7.5 inches. So let's see what it is this month. Like, I'm not even gonna guess. Ah! 8 inches. That was an ugly math. So this month, my hair in the middle of my head is 8 inches. Yes, last month it was 7.5 inches. Honestly, I feel like these measurements are not accurate at all because I'm not measuring the same lock. But I don't know how to identify the lock to always measure. So I don't know. So we're gonna take these measurements, these growth spurts, as a grain of salt until I figure out how to identify that lock. So now for the front of my head, this last month the front of my head was 8 inches. So this is going to be, this one is like 8.25 inches, so grew a little bit. And I actually think that was the same lock. I think it was the same lock. And now for my side. Last month my side was 6 inches. So let's see. 6.5 inches. Okay, so my hair is definitely grown. Okay, so excuse me, my hair, that was gross. Okay, but my hair is definitely growing, y'all. Growing, so we have growth, and I'm very happy. Yeah, so I think that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, I hope you guys have a great 4th of July. I don't know when this video is going up, but I hope y'all have a great weekend. All that jazz, just cover all my bases, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, follow me on social media at I am Elises, because you know I repost stuff on there as well, and I like. Oh, you know, actually, shout out to y'all that be commenting on my videos. Like, you guys make me feel so happy that you guys are interacting with me. Yeah. Also, shout out to Danielle. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.